This is our Hamilton Beach electric kettle. Let me tell you a couple things I like about it and a couple things I don't like. First off, I do suggest that you use water from a water purifier. Just for the simple fact that I have noticed there's like a buildup of calcium at the bottom of the unit if you don't use water from a purifier. Now what I love about this is it is extremely quick. It is a really fast kettle. What I don't like about it is that the cable is that long. Now at first, I thought this cord was only just over a foot long. But then I realized there's a secret hidden feature on it. You pop this out like this, and you'll see that the cord actually is quite long, and you can tuck it in like this. I guess they just folded it up for shipping, so it's twice as long as you think it is. Don't be fooled like I was. Really nice little feature. Wish I knew about it sooner instead of keeping it on short mode for so long. Let me show you how fast it boils. Watch the clock in the background. Now it does have an auto shut off, which will shut itself off in any second here, or you can flip the switch. Easy peasy either way. There it goes. Yeah, the short cord kind of bothers me, but it doesn't really make much of a difference. And am I the only one that likes to drink hot water? I mean, I don't drink coffee or tea much, but I drink a lot of hot water. Yeah, the switch is right back here to turn on or off. It does use like a conductive way to heat it up. So, I mean, it's easy to take off and clean and just use. It's a really nice kettle. I mean, as far as electric kettles go, this is the Cadillac. Really impressed by it. We've actually bought it as a gift for our kid because our kid drinks a lot of tea, but before you knew it, we were using this for everything that involved boiling water. I think you'll like it just as much as we do.